Hey friends, welcome back to a new vlog of TripAdvisor. Let us explore the Ginee river in Tamilnadu in this vlog. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and click on bell for more travel videos. We visited this riverside on our trip to the Ginee fort or Senji fort. There are rice fields spread across a large area near to the river. It is hard to find a direct entry to this riverside, but if you ask your local people near Ginee, then they'll definitely guide you. Please don't throw plastics or waste material on your visit to this place. Let's keep it clean and beautiful, as you can see in this video. The river is also known as Sangaraparani or Varahanadi. It originates on the western slopes of Ginee Hills in Viluppuram district and flows towards the Bay of Bengal of Pondicherry. After spending some time during sunset here, we started our trip towards the Parvadamalai trek. Share your feedback about the place in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, please do like, share, subscribe and click on bell. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.